A teacher and a poet. My dear, you are carrying knowledge in the most beautiful way.
Thank you, Miss Bethune. You built schools when black children had no place to learn? Wow. That must have took a lot. I teach in classrooms and you help make it possible. I didn't even think about the building. I just thought about the room.
But tell me, child, do they still fight your right to educate?
Every day. They cut funding to schools in our communities. They call those Title Ones. And then the ones that's closing, well, they mostly in our hoods. So they call them TZs. That's when they bring the white folks in from the state. So it's kind of like a reverse the board versus the board. And they started banning books too, that even tell our stories. And they try to silence the truth too.
It seems they haven't learned. I fought for black education because knowledge is power. They fear an educated black mind.
Yeah, they do. And here I am, still waiting to pass certain tests. And every 5 years, they do a certification. And guess who the ones that's always repeating them? Minorities. So the less and less we see is just a systemic way that they just keep pushing us out. So, here I am, like I said, here we are. Because of you, I stand in classrooms and on stages, teaching through words, keeping our stories alive.
This is our victory, dear. They cannot erase what we continue to teach.
Yeah. And that's what I'm going to continue to do.
Well, you share your spoken word and you keep on.
Thank you, Mr. Dunn. It's been an honor.